Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Duolingo app language back to English. So what you'll need to do is basically go to Duolingo app, then click on this flag icon at the top left corner and scroll to the right until you see this plus icon. Click on this gray plus icon and then scroll down until you see these languages. So basically this is the first one, as you can see. And now if we choose our German course, as you can see, click on this green button and on this blue, we'll be back in the English language. As you can see, we are doing now a German course because we chose a German, and we're doing in English. So basically, as you can see, everything now in English. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.